Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So make a ponytail like this and fold it upward and fix the bun pin over it like this and make the plaits on it and then fold it and fix it on the downside with the hairpin and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides like this and then tie it on the back as shown in the video and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs by folding it like this on the alternative sides and make the plaits on the rest of the hairs. Now after that, we'll be folding it upward like this to make a bun and fix it on the right side like this with the hairpin and then fix the designer pins on the hairs and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, we'll be tying the ponytail and then fix this band on the hairs and fix it on the sides. Now roll down the hairs and then fix it with the rubber band like this and then tie the hairs like this on the bottom section, fold it by making the plaits upward and put the hairpin to fix it and it's ready. Next, we'll be tying the ponytail and then rotate the hairs like this. Now after that, we'll be tying the hairs like this as shown in the video. Now tie it from the bottom and fold it like this and fix it with the hairpins like this on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take small section of the hairs and then rotate it around the hairs like this and keep tying it. Keep folding the hairs till the end in the same manner as shown in the video. Now keep taking it till the end like this as shown here. Take it till the half like this and keep rolling the hairs. At the end, we'll be fixing it with the help of a rubber band or the hairpins by tying the hairs like this. Now fix it with the rubber band like this and tie it tightly and put some designer rubber bands over it if you want, otherwise it's done. Next, you have to tie the hairs like this, rotate rest of the hairs and then fold it upward over the bun and spread the hairs from the sides like this. Put the rubber band and fix the hairs like this as shown in the video and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs and then fix it with the rubber band like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts and divide it from the between and rotate it. Fix the hairs like this by folding it upward over the bun and put it with the rubber band and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the hairs and then roll down the hairs and tie it with the rubber band like this. Now fix the hairs and put this bun pin and fold the hairs like this and tie it and your hairstyle is done. Next, we'll be tying the hairs like this. So using this hair clip, we'll be fixing the hairs. So fix this hair clip by tying the hairs like fold it upward to make a bun. So roll it by fixing the hairs in the between of it and then fix it on the sides by putting it like this on the sides and fix it as we fix the clips on the hairs. So you will get a shape like this of the half section of the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs using this bun clutch. Fold it along with the hairs on the top like this and fix it by putting it on the top by making a messy bun like this and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and then fix this net on the hairs. Now roll it like this and then fold it to make a bun. Fold the hairs carefully like this and put the hairpin to fix the hairs tightly like this. Fix it tightly and your hairstyle will be ready. Don't forget to cover it with this net. You will get it easily in the market. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and then fix this bun pin on the hairs by folding it like this on the right side. Now, take rest of the hairs on the downside and fix it and it's done. Next, we'll be putting this net on the hairs. So fold it like this and then fix it on the other side. Now, take the hairs from the downside and keep it as it is and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.